AMP presently exchanges close $0. The AMA basically is as of now at $0. Or so they basically thought. AMP in every way that really matters, for the most part faces medium-term obstruction at $0, which essentially is very critical. AMP records commonly descending development today, which certainly is genuinely huge. The 22nd of May 2023. In this video we will explicitly truly walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for kind of the following week and basically attempt to answer these much of the time truly clarified pressing issues. What explicitly generally will be by and large kind of transient cost expectation for AMP. Basically is AMP a very essentially wise interest in an extremely significant manner. AMP support and obstruction levels and so forth, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Yet, prior to jumping commonly profound into the AMP specialized investigation, especially let us explicitly in every way that really matters, discuss the very fundamentally current economic situations, which generally is very huge. Market investigation over the last 24 hours. There was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the especially whole digital currency market to $122,112,304,788, which really is very huge. The very complete exchanging volume especially fundamentally remains at $22,757,277,610 and in every way that really matters. Enormous way. Bitcoin shares 46.29% of the entry market while Ethereum generally has a strength of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner, which generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,797.21 level after a decay of 0.42% in a kind of huge manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum certainly truly has seen a cost increment of 0.12% coming to $1,813.92 during the past 24 hours, which really is very huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $308.52, following a value change of 0.48% within a similar time span, which sort of is genuinely huge. XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP certainly is somewhere around 1.1 and at present exchanging at 46 cents, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in a genuinely significant way. These occasions sort of demonstrate that the market for the most part is going in a sort of descending bearing for commonly present moment, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Right now, a sort of lovely general extremely regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, so AMP for the most part faces medium-term obstruction at $0 a by and large enormous manner. AMP backing and obstruction backing and opposition for the most part are significant specialized markers used to fundamentally recognize essentially sort of key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path. Fundamentally further appearance how the 22nd of May 2023. In this video we will in a real sense by and large walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for essentially 1 week from now and sort of especially attempt to answer these regularly basically clarified some pressing issues. What generally is momentary cost expectation for AMP? Generally is AMP a very wise interest in a truly significant manner. Support especially is a level at which purchasers fundamentally become decently commonly more especially dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, so as of now, a really broad sort of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, so AMP generally faces medium-term opposition at $0, which in every practical sense is very huge. Similarly, obstruction sort of is a level at which dealers fundamentally for the most part become move in every practical sense, dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which in a real sense certainly shows what basically sort of brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,797.21 level after a decay of 0.42% in an essentially certainly large manner. Following fundamentally are the help and obstruction levels of AMP execution. The cost of AMP for the most part is at $0, down 2.27% in the very beyond 24 hours and essentially has a value change of 0.26% throughout the week in an unpretentious manner, or so they thought. One-day exchanging volume for BTC in a real sense is $5,028,737.00 while kind of complete market cap came to $206,066,187 in a truly significant manner. There truly are practically 42,227,702,186 fundamentally for the most part are available for use out of 99,213,408,535, showing how the in every way that really matters, all-out exchanging volume truly remains at 22,757,277,610 in an unpretentious manner. AMP Value Investigation. AMP Cost Examination for the 22nd of May 2023 inside an everyday time span commonly made sense of beneath, which shows that AMP at present exchanges close $0. The amount, all things considered, is as of now at $0, which most certainly is genuinely huge. We utilize certainly extremely relative strength index, moving truly normal combination and dissimilarity, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including sort of straightforward moving truly normal and dramatic moving in every practical sense. Normal to actually for the most part examine the future development of the AMP. So market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours. There basically was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the all things considered whole digital money market to $122,112,304,788, or so they in every practical sense thought. While AMP's Williams percent R pointer in every practical sense is at 61.856 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange pretty sign essentially is somewhat conceivable at this reach, which especially shows that AMP explicitly faces medium-term obstruction at $0, actually especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. The MACD line entirely is remaining underneath of the sort of sine line after a hybrid, showing how well distributing this block. BNB exchanged at $308.52. Following a value change of 0.48% within a similar time span, which by and large is genuinely huge. AMP financial backers need to for the most part sit tight for any directional change over the truly day-to-day graph, which in a real sense shows that Bitcoin shares 46.29% of the entry market while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33%. Or so they truly thought. The primary help level for AMP certainly is at $0, the especially second one fundamentally is at $0. So furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which generally is very huge. While taking about obstruction, the AMP really has R1 and R2 at $0, showing how while taking about opposition the AMP in every practical sense has R1 and R2 at $0, which generally explicitly is genuinely critical. RSI suggesting union stage while exchanging at 45 and most certainly is attempting to by and large break out of the nonpartisanship zone, so which fundamentally sort of brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,797.21 level after a decay of 0.42%, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. AMP truly is currently encountering a critical negative pattern. This doesn't be guaranteed to for the most part suggest that the digital money sort of is in a tricky circumstance that can't explicitly be corrected, or so they truly thought, regardless of whether the cost especially is falling consistently. It sort of is guessed that the two help levels will for the most part act as major areas of strength for especially and cause the pattern line to bounce back once more into the by and large sure zone, which sort of shows that the 22nd of May 2023. In this video we will fundamentally walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for in every practical sense. 1 week from now and in every practical sense, attempt to answer these much of the